welcome back. PayPal adds to list of crypto-heavy hitters on the Trust network. Crypto accommodating computerized installment monster PayPal has been added to the travel role Universal Solution Technology Organization, joining a large group of huge names in crypto that have moved to conform to computerized research travel rules. The declaration comes 2 months after the installment monster carried out framework, empowering clients to move, send, and get computerized results between PayPal and different wallets and trades in June this year. Before that, clients were simply ready to trade crypto inside PayPal following the company underlying lab into the area in October 2022. Trust was sent off by a gathering of 18 US virtual research specialists in February, with big shots like Coinbase, Paxos, Circle, Kraken, and Robinhood taking part every step of the way. The number has since extended to since PayPal has joined the position. The expansion of PayPal marked one more achievement in Trust's excursion to turn into the worldwide industry standard answer to for travel rule consistent. Coinbase note in an August 23 declaration. Under the Bank Secrecy Act, Rule 13.1, the more normally known as the travel rule, US are legitimate expected to give explicit data connecting with client store moves, starting with one monetary foundation that into the next. The limit for reconciling reserve move and individual behind them began at $1,000. Thusly, the gathering of US cents of trust to smooth out detailing and make the dividing of data among them simpler and more straightforward. Trust uses an answer which is made out of two principles include a unified release board to recognize each party on the two finish of an exchange and scramble highlight point channel to trade information safely. Thank you.